So basically, what I have been doing in quarantine, I've spent a lot of time working with different tune projects. So I pick an artist and I try and learn as many of their tunes as possible. And speaking of Liz Carroll, I definitely have spent a lot of time learning her tunes, starting back in March last year, and I'm still going through her tune books. But that was, The Bike to Valley Hill was one of my favorites, so I wanted to share that today. And I've started to recently transition over to another wonderful fiddle tune writer in the Irish tradition. His name is Ed Reevy, or he was Ed Reevy. And he writes just gorgeous fiddle tunes. They're all over the place, fun keys, and really just sit well on the instrument, as we like to say. So I'm going to do a hornpipe of his called Lado Burns, and it's one that I've just learned recently. So when I go live, I like to do tunes that I've been working on within the past few weeks. So it's always fun to bring in some new material. So you all get a little bit of that today. I do a weekly live video on Facebook usually every Wednesday evening around 7 p.m. So if you ever want to tune into that, that's available on my music Facebook page. So I'm going to do Lado Burns, which is a hornpipe, and hornpipes sometimes get a bad rap in Irish music because they're not as fast as reels and they're maybe not as common as jigs or as spicy as polkas, but I think that hornpipes have their own unique flavor to them. I think that you can really do a lot with them, and they've got a lot of space for creating some fun ornamentation. So one characteristic of hornpipes is you'll hear a lot of separate note or separate bowed triplets. So you'll hear a lot of that instead of just slurring them together, which would just be using one bow. So that's something you can do to be very characteristic in your hornpipe playing, and you'll hear a lot of that in this tune, which is one reason why I like it so much, because I think that it's a fun technique. So without further ado, here is Lado Burns. there, YouTuber. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you wouldn't mind clicking on that like button at the bottom of the video, and if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new fiddle video. Thanks and have a good one.